stars on the night, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the road and make it up as.
Hi, my lemon lemonades. And as I said, I will be covering health today. We often think food when we say health, but without a proper brain mental function, how can we truly be healthy? Let me say this: I am not a mental health counselor, nor did I go to school for psychology. I am simply going off of life experiences. But for sure, we will be talking good dishes to create, and I will also post any dish I upload in the future with the ingredients and instructions. So let's get started. What does a healthy mindset look like? In the words of a good friend of mine, if it doesn't apply, let it fly. Particularly growing up with my stepmother, who had an adult foster home for mentally challenged kids and adults. I probably have more patience, as I'm sure a lot of other people do, when it comes to working with people who have a mental disability, and also myself helping in the sixth grade to take care of adults with mental disabilities. But today, we are focusing on a healthy mindset of living. Everything from what we learn first starts in the home. Having a calm, clean, loving, and communicative home environment means a lot, from how we treat our families, friends, and also strangers. Like simply going down an aisle in the grocery store to grab some canned corn and saying, "Excuse me, I'm trying to grab that corn. I didn't want to breach over you or bump into you," is a healthy mindset of respect and common courtesy. Who doesn't like to take a stroll and enjoy the wind and the silence of the day? But it is important, no matter our age, we should always tell someone where we are going. Whether if you take your Apple phone, Apple Watch, cell phone, or not, tell someone where you're going. Let's take any job, for instance, that you know that you want that position. So your healthy mindset has to be ready to pitch for that position. In other words, let the company know why you want that position and why they should give it to you. Your expertise in that field, how you can add to their company brand, sell yourself. If you're expecting a baby, well, you definitely better be ready, because that baby is solely dependent upon you, because we all know a baby cannot take care of themselves. So, with that comes mentally healthy brain functions of human life. Being healthy is also taking a shower or a bath every day, brushing our teeth, doing our hair, getting dressed, etc. Another instance, starting a YouTube channel and not expecting for people to show up every time you upload a video or you go live. Lastly, I will leave a healthy mindset with this, my lovely lemon and lemonades. Remembering to turn off your stove after cooking. We don't want to burn down the house or ourselves. We want that lemon pie to turn out great, not burnt from being left in the oven, or that good lemon pound cake. Until Wednesday, have a wonderful rest of your day, and don't forget to drop a lemon, and I'll be sure to pick it up, whether good or bad. Please like, share, and subscribe.